Well, good morning, and welcome back to the Motovlogging Virginia channel. Yeah. I'm still going down to work this morning, but I'm picking up a friend and coworker there who wants to get a ride on a motorcycle. Yeah. I've given her a ride before. We went somewhere and got a coffee and did whatever. And yeah, you know, that's what happens when spring hits you. And everybody wants to get out and, you know, do something. Something of the new season. It's exciting. There he is. Yeah. So we'll have something a little different. Somebody on the back of the bike. I ain't had nobody in the back of the bike in a long time. What is today? This is the last day of April. May is coming in tomorrow. And ready to say hello to us all. And I'll be ready too. Come around this side, get on this side. Let me get this started. Alright. I didn't even know you got on. Alright, we're headed to coffee and a Starbucks up ahead. 3, 4, 5 miles, I don't know. And got my friend Destiny on. Might be able to see her back there.
That was great.
Yeah.
I was wondering the whole time.
I was thinking, you know, you don't have wraparound glass. I was thinking, I said, man, I bet those are beating her eyes up.
Well, it felt fine.
That's why wearing contacts. Good.
Yeah.
Well, it's a good thing you didn't go out on the damn bridge.
Yeah,
Those are entirely too short.
It was.
Gotta go, you got some time, man.